Hi everybody, it's Chris Baynes at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today I want to talk to you about something that I'm hearing a lot of people talk about these days, and that is the quandary of, well, if I put my house on the market, it's going to sell immediately and I'm not going to be able to find anywhere to live and I'll be homeless. And that is a real concern. This is a very hot market. It's very much a seller's market, but there are some options out there. So for some people, you could possibly qualify to purchase a house without selling yours. So speak to a mortgage broker to see about that. You could get a bridge loan from a bank, which is a shorter term loan where you could borrow that money, purchase your next house, that you get your house on the market and get it sold. You could also borrow against your 401k. If you have enough equity in your current house, you could get a home equity line of credit potentially and use that to purchase the other house. You could get a hard money loan. Those can be a little tricky and kind of expensive. But what if you don't qualify what if you have to sell your house to move on? Well, there's a couple of options there too. One, you could sell your house and negotiate where you lease the property back from whoever's buying it. If they're getting a mortgage, it's probably going to be limited to 60 days. If they're buying with cash, you could negotiate a longer term. So that's a great option for some folks. The other option is to arrange for temporary housing. Stay with family, friends, get a rental. And I know nobody wants to move twice. I just want to close on the same day. I mean, we've done that before in other markets, but in this market, the last option just isn't going to happen, or very rarely are we seeing that happen. And that's where you approach a seller, you like the house, and you say, well, I like your house, I'm going to buy it, but I need you to allow me to sell my house. That's called a contingency. And in this market, contingencies just aren't flying. So don't give up. Look at your options. And the reason it's important to go ahead and make something happen in this market is because you're going to get a really good price for your house and the interest rates are low. If interest rates go up 1% because you decided to wait and don't want to deal with it, you're going to lose quite a bit of your borrowing power, over 10%. Quick example, $200,000 house, if you qualify for $200,000, interest rates go up 1%. Now you're under $180,000 that you can afford. So you just lost $20,000 by waiting. So the option to move into temporary housing or some of those other options start to sound a whole lot better. But if you have any questions about this or anything else real estate related, give us a call. And if you're thinking of buying or selling real estate, remember, buy and sell with the Baynes Bunch.